What we're going to do today is learn how to make a mask in an emergency situation. Hey YouTubers, it's Ronan here with my bar channel. Where I'm either building it, assembling it, repairing it, or just replacing it. What we're going to do today is learn how to make a mask using common household items. All you need is a sheet of paper towel, 2 rubber bands, broad if possible, and a stapler. Let's get this started. What you're going to do is fold your paper towel in half, and you just keep folding it roughly about 1/3 of an inch or 1/2 an inch, rotating direction front and back until you have one small 1/2 inch length. Once you've done that, you need to follow the steps on the video. Now what you're going to do is get your rubber band and place it on the flat side. Then you get your stapler and you staple it down. And you would proceed with doing the same to the opposite side. You want to make sure you secure your rubber band securely to the paper towel. That way it doesn't pull off or pop off. You want to get it in the center of the rubber band and to a good piece of the paper towel. That way when you go to spread the mask, it doesn't pop out from the mask or pull apart. If you so desire to have a thicker mask because your paper towel is too thin, then you can use 2 sheets of paper towel, fold it correctly and staple it securely, and it should hold up. Again, this is only a temporary measure for a mask if you do need one desperately. So like, share and subscribe to my channel for future video. Thank you.